Okay, once again, I would like to welcome all of you for the online class, and even I would like to say good morning, everybody. Okay, be cheer up. Fresh morning. Let you give you good fresh atmosphere. So, dear children, now very important topic, not only for 10th standard, even your competitive exam, and not only for 10th standard or competitive exam, even for the from 6th standard, from 5th standard up to 10th standard. So on that content there will be a 1 mark. There will be a 1 mark. That is that content I am going to start today. So what is that? Which is related to noun only. Which is related to noun. So see here, some determiners you might have used. Determiners. Determiners means nothing but what that this that it and a and
हेलो
the.
अस्सलाम
So here,
वालेकुम।
वालेकुम सलाम जी, बोलिए।
and here today I am
आसिफ
going
अली
to
भी बोल
start.
रहा है।
रुक जाए 2 मिनट, हाँ।
Today I am going to start the topic.
हेलो हेलो
Can you read this? What is this, Kempana?
Articles.
Yes, articles. Do you know what you mean by articles and kinds of articles?
An and the.
A and the. Okay, so here what that uh, three articles are there. In three articles, this is what that a total article. Now, if you come to the kinds of articles, means here there are two types of or two kinds of articles. See here. Kinds of articles. First,
Definite article, indefinite article.
very good, very good. Definite article and indefinite article. Definite article, the. E or and. E or and. Here, kinds of article, definite article, what that are? The and indefinite article and a and. Okay. So you might have studied this one already, but even though I would like to revise, okay, some important things I would like to share with you. Here, definite article, the name itself tells the definite, which you know the definite thing. Okay. Before that noun, we should use article the. Definite article the should be used, which the things you are knowing definitely. So there, and even some rules are there where the definite article is used. Okay, okay. That I am going to teach you today. Here, first one is that definite article. Yes, article the. Where is used this the use of a definite article? See here. First one, have you taken this kinds of article? Now write down. Taken a? Okay. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Here, definite article and indefinite article. So we should use a or an. That I will say later. Now, the use of definite article. See here. Wait, wait. The use of definite article the. Here, the use of definite article the. Understand? Okay. Here, where to use the is first points here. The is used with the unique things. Here, first point. The is used before name of unique things. The is used before name of the unique things. Unique things means what? Anybody can give example?
The sun, the moon, the sky, the earth.
Yes, the sun, the moon, the sky. Hey, monkey unique, huh? Unique means here only one thing should be there like that. There is no another thing like that. For example, sun you take the sun. Is there any another one thing like the sun? Sun ಗತ್ಲೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಏನಾದರೂ ಐತಿಯಾ?
No,
ಮಂಕಿ
sir.
ಹೆಂಗಾಗ್ತೈತಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಂಕಿ ಹೆಂಗಾಗ್ತೈತಿ? ಮಂಕಿ ಗತ್ಲೆ ರಗಡ್ ಜನ ಅದ. Sometimes man behave like a monkey, you know. Huh? when he became very tight, like in that, okay. At the moment he behave like a monkey, you know. Okay, so that is thing. Here unique thing means here totally unique. The sun means here what that there is no another thing like that. The sun, the moon, the earth, sky. Okay. Right, Tejas past. Time is running. You are sleeping till. Okay, next point. Kepana, read first point.
The is used before name of unique things. Example, the sun, the moon, the sky, the earth.
Yes, very good. Next point. The is used before. Used before
Planets,
names of names of planets, river, ocean, seas.
So what is article means you told, sir?
It is determiner. Definition not given. Okay, seas, ship, ships, aeroplane, aeroplanes, of group of islands, chain of mountains. See, read Campana this one. Where should the is used?
the is used before names of planets, river, ocean, seas, ships, aeroplanes, group of islands, chain of mountains, etc.
Okay, very good. Next, Sadhana, read that one.
Yes, sir. The is used before names of planets, river, ocean, sea, ships, aeroplanes, group of islands, chain of mountains, etc.
Very good. Okay. Clear no? Got it? Example, anybody can give example?
Yes, sir.
Give example.
The Mercury.
The Mars.
Mercury.
Planet. Mars is a planet. River. The Nile. Where is Nile River? Anybody? Where is Nile River?
Egypt.
Egypt. Very good. In the continent of Africa. Am I right? It is the longest river. Ah, in the world only, Nile River is the longest river. Am I right? Pranav
Yes.
Gowda? Fine. Okay. Negotiate. Negotiate.
The Indian Ocean.
Yes, Indian Hindu Maha Hindu Mahasagar ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. The Indian Ocean. And come to the sea, the Red Sea. Come to the ship, the Titanic. Aeroplane. Aeroplane, the Indian Airways. Huh? The Indigo. Isn't it? Indian Airways. Next, group of islands. Andaman. Andaman.
The Nicobar Islands. I think
Yes,
so.
Andaman and Nicobar. Andaman. Next, chain of mountains. Chain
The
of
Mount
mountains.
Everest.
Huh?
The Mount Everest.
The Mount Everest
Himalaya.
is wrong. Mount Everest. Here you see chain of mountains. I told. I did not tell the names of the mountains. Chain of mountains. I told here chain of mountains. If you use before the names of a mountains article the means here it is wrong. If you use the article before the names of the mountains it is wrong. I told here the chain of a mountains. Indra Parvata Srenigalu. Indra all togetherly. Here in Himalaya you may find you may get what that Mount Everest and Godwin Austen, Ketu, Gauri Shankara. So many dunes are there. So many small mountains are there. This all togetherly what we say? The Himalaya. Himalaya will tell her. Okay, the Himalaya. Okay, the Himalaya. The Himalaya. Clear? The Himalaya. Here ಮೌಂಟ್ ಎವರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮುಂದ ಏನ್ ಬಳಸಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ವತಗಳ ಹೆಸರುಗಳ ಮುಂದ ಏನ್ ಬಳಸಬಾರ್ದು ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ದ ಅನ್ನ ಬಳಸಬಾರ್ದು ಯಾವ್ದ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಬಳಸಬಾರ್ದು ಓಕೆ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ವತ ಶ್ರೇಣಿಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಚೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೌಂಟೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಓಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ವಿಂಧ್ಯ ಮೌಂಟೈನ್ಸ್ ವಿಂಧ್ಯ ಪರ್ವತಗಳು ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾವ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಹಾ ದ ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಘಾಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಘಾಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಡೀ ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಘಾಟ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ವತಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾವ ಸಣ್ಣ Huh? So that's why chain of mountains. Before the chain of mountains, we should use article the. Isn't it? Got it, Muhammad?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. It is a 10th standard English medium. Who are studying as a English? First question only. First question only in multiple choice question. So related to article. First question about ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. Okay, English medium children who are studying not only English medium, even Kannada medium children who are studying that as a second language. For them also there is a 1 mark. There is a 1 mark related to article. Clear? Got it? Finished? Akash?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Kempana, read once. Example,
Yes, sir.
example only read. Example.
The Mars, the Nile, the Indian Ocean, the Red Sea, the Titanic, the Indian Airways, the Andamans, the Himalaya.
Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, shall I wrap it? Shall I wipe the board?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See it. Next group. The is used with or the is used with directions, musical instrument, musical instrument, instrument, and holy books, and religion, communities, communities, etc. Read Kampana.
The is used with directions, musical instruments, holy books, religions, co- communities, etc.
Communities. Communities. Okay. See here. The is used with the directions, musical instruments, holy books, religions, communities, etc. See here. Example. The north. Directions. The south.
East.
Okay, if you come to the musical instrument.
The violin.
Yes. The flute, the guitar, the violin, the harmonium, the tabla, the trombone, isn't it? And holy books, the Ramayana,
Ramayana, the
the
Bhagavad
Quran,
Gita, the Mahabharata.
the Quran.
The Deccan Herald.
Hey, holy books. Deccan Herald is a newspaper. Okay, here. Direction, medical instrument, holy books, religion, community. Okay, holy books, the Quran, the Bible, the Mahabharata, the Gita, Bhagavad Gita, isn't it? The Bible. Okay, next religion. Come to the religion. The Hindu, the Islam,
The Muslim.
the Muslim. That only Islam means here Muslim only. The Christ, the Jain, the Parsi. Next communities. Communities.
The Buddhism.
The British, the British community, the French, isn't it? So
The
like this what
Portuguese.
that the Portugal or Portuguese. the Dutch, the Indian, the American, the Red Indian, the West Indies. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸಬೇಕು ತೇಜಸ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸಬೇಕು ದ ಅನ್ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ನಾರ್ತ್ ಸೌತ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ and the northeast, the southeast, the northwest. There are 8 directions are there, isn't it? You know, read north, isn't it? East, isn't it? West, isn't it? South. What is this? From this all the direction, whatever they give the information, that is the news. That only they named news.
North, east, west, south.
Huh? Clear?
Yes,
That
sir.
only they named it as the news. North, east, west, south. Right on. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Akash? I don't want just your knowledge take it.
कहाँ जा रही है तू?
Akash?
अरे भाई
Yes.
क्या बोलते हैं?
Yes, sir.
Finished?
अपो
Yes,
हो रहा है?
sir.
Mahima?
Yes.
Finished? Next point. The is used before 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 the newspapers. Before the newspapers, magazines, magazines, trains, historical events, and places. वो बैठो बेटा yes ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡೋಕೆ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ ರೀಡ್ ಕೆಂಪಣ್ಣ
Yes, sir.
very very
The is used for the newspapers, magazine, trains, historical events, and places.
yeah. The is used before the newspapers, magazines, trains, historical events, and the historical places. Okay. Here. Example. Newspaper tell name of the newspaper.
Indian Express.
Here. The Deccan Herald. The Deccan
Indian Express.
Herald. The Times of India. The Indian Express. Isn't it?
तरुण भारत.
Yes. Local newspaper not, it should be nationalized newspaper. Regional newspaper not, like the Vijayavani, the Vijay Karnataka, the Vishwavani, like that not. See, it should be nationalized and internationalized. And here magazine, the Reader Digest. The Reader, hey, the Reader Digest. Magazine, the Reader Digest. Train, the Rajdhani Express. Tirupati Express, huh? The Chennai Express, the Tirupati Express, the Nijamuddin Express, and historical events, the Republic Day,
The first war world.
the first war of independence, the first war of Indian independence, the Plassey Battle, the Battle of Plassey, the Buxar, the Battle of Buxar, hmm? The First World War, the Second World War, the Independence Day, the French Revolution, the Industrial Revolution. No. First World War and Second World War, it happened in European continent. In between alliance, two alliance were there. Okay. Second World War, Hitler was there. First World War, there was between two alliance were there. Triple Entente and Triple Alliance. ಮೂರು ದಳ ಇದನ್ನಿದ್ದು ತ್ರಿಪಕ್ಷೀಯ ಅದರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬೋತ್ ವಾರ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ಲಿ ನಿಯರ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ 6 crore ಪೀಪಲ್ ವೇರ್ ಡೈಡ್. 6 ಕೋಟಿ ಜನ ಈ ಒಂದು ಯುದ್ಧದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಯ್ತಾರೆ, ಎರಡೂ ಮಹಾ ಯುದ್ಧಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ವಾರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ವಾರ್. ಹಿಟ್ಲರ್ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ರೂಯಲ್. He was a dictatorship. He was a dictator. It was mentioned in 10th standard. Who is that? Anne Frank diary is there. See, a girl who was Anne Frank. Muhammad.
Yes, sir.
Muhammad.
Yes, sir.
The girl who was Anne Frank. Is it completed lesson?
No, sir.
No, sir.
In that given, see about Second World War, how the Hitler rule was there. She explained everything in her diary. Very beautiful lesson. Lesson from that lesson, Muhammad, whoever are
Yes, sir.
studying 10th, from that lesson, very important. Even exam also, 7 marks will come from that lesson. See, how many marks?
7 marks.
7 marks. You read very carefully. 4 marks, 100% compulsory 1 mark will come from that. 4 marks.
Yes.
And even that RC comes. And
Sir,
2
lesson
marks and 1 mark question.
Sir,
The
RC
girl
means-
who was Anne Frank. The girl
The girl
who was Anne Frank. I think it is 7th lesson. See, 7th lesson. Okay, fine. Come to the point. And Republic Day and historical places. The Red Fort.
Taj
The
Mahal.
Taj.
Yes. The Taj Mahal.
The Gol Gumbaz.
The Gol Gumbaz.
The Qutub Minar.
The palace of Mysore.
the
The
Statue of
Char
Liberty.
Minar.
The Qutub
Yeah, the
Minar.
Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Unity. Ele the Statue of Unity.
Ashoka
Statue of
Pillar.
Unity ele idea. Statue of Unity recently inaugurated by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Gujarat, Ahmedabad. Okay. So there is there sir statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Vallabhbhai Patel statue is there. That is the Statue of Unity, isn't it? Okay. Finished? Akash?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay. Next. Next. Is used with the names of slowly write ordinal numbers, ordinal numbers superlative degrees hotels, famous hotels. The names of famous hotels. Names of famous hotels.
Taj Garden.
These are famous hotels. Famous.
5 star of America.
Okay.
Oh,
Here. The is used with the names of ordinal numbers, superlative degrees, and famous hotels. Here. Before this, the article is used. The article. For example, the first. Article number 3. The first,
last.
the second, the last, the next, the last, the next, the first, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, like this. And superlative degree, the
The
widest,
biggest.
the biggest, yes,
The
the
widest.
longest, the widest, very good. And famous hotel, see, the Taj,
The Ashoka Hotel.
yes, the Taj, the Ashoka Hotel, the Ashoka Hotel,
5 star of America.
okay, the five-star hotel, the Salman Hotel, yes, like this.
IFA.
IPA.
New Zealand. No.
समय.
Over.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Next, see. What is examples? Right. Here. Next point. The is used before the particular person or thing. The is used before particular person or things. Persons or things. See here, the is used before the
Particular person or thing.
things. Whatever thing ना complete करेंगे. The is used before particular person or thing. Means here you are talking particularly about that person only. Then you have to use the article.
Bro.
For example,
The Abdul Rahman.
here the man
Judas.
you met yesterday.
Is been.
Yesterday is my uncle. Yes. See here the man. See here, the man why used? You are talking about my uncle only. See here, the man you met yesterday is my uncle. See here, we are talking about that uncle only. When you are talking particularly that person, for example, see here, another example I would like to give. The book you want, you want is out of stock. Here, the book you want, the book you want is out of stock. Means here you are talking about that particular book only. Okay. The lady you, the lady you saw is my mother. See here, the. Means here you are talking about my mother, about that particular lady. Got it?
Brother who is on online. She's my classmate.
Finished? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. The is used for a person, particular person or thing mentioned for the second time. See, I mentioned for that only. Pages over. This much you have taken. Huh? Okay. Here, let's do that only. The is used before person or thing. Thing entered mentioned for the second time. For the second time. Clear. ಅದೇ ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಎರಡನೇ ಸಲ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನೀವೇನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ದ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ. ಐ ಮೆಟ್ ಎ ಬಾಯ್. I met a boy.
The boy was.
Second time you are using dash boy is a swimmer.
One.
Here article which comes?
The.
One.
See here. Article the. I met a boy. See here, this boy. Again we are using second time. Isn't it? ಆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತಿರಂದ್ರೆ ದ ಬಳಸಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಐ ಮೆಟ್ ಅ ಬಾಯ್. ದ ಬಾಯ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮರ್. ಓಕೆ. I went a hotel.
The hotel was beautiful.
Danish hotel was. Hotel is. It's another beautiful. The hotel is beautiful. Like this. When you are using it for a second time. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Clear? Fine.
Sam.
Here. The is used before. Next rule. The is used before a proper noun makes it as a common noun. Used before used before a proper noun makes a proper nouns proper noun makes it as common noun. Makes it as common noun. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ದ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ನೌನ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೌನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ನೌನ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೌನ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ಕೈಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನೌನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ನೌನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ದ ಗಿವನ್ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೌನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಓಕೆ ಬೈ ದ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೌನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ನೌನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೌನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ನೌನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಗಿವನ್ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೆಲ್ಲ take for example now let me now examples here how it is used kodagu kodagu is the kashmir of karnataka kodagu is the kashmir of Karnataka. See here, Kodagu is the Kashmir of Karnataka. Here, Kashmir is a proper noun, but ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಾಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೌನ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಗು is the Kashmir of Karnataka. Now, Bombay is the Manchester of India. Manchester of here the Kodagu is the Manchester of India. Manchester means what? Anybody can, especially 10th standard children, it is in SS. Bombay is called a Manchester. In SS is there, see. Why it is called Manchester? Where is Manchester? Manchester is the place which is located in England. Which is located in England. There is a hub of mills, means a hub of industries. So many industry area, means industries are there. Mills are there. So where it is in a London or in a England. That is a Manchester, the place. It is located in a, it is situated in a London. There many industries are located. It is a hub of a industry. It is a hub of a mills. So like that, in India, Bombay is the place where so many mills and industries are there. So it is called a Manchester of India. And even that cotton mills are there more. Cotton mills.
Yes.
Cotton mills means do you know? Textile.
Yes, sir.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಟನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹತ್ತಿಯ ಕಾರ್ಖಾನೆಗಳು ಹತ್ತಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಕಾಟನ್ ಹತ್ತಿಯ ಕಾರ್ಖಾನೆಗಳು ಮಿಲ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಅವ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಂಬೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಓಕೆ ಹಂಗ ಮ್ಯಾಂಚೆಸ್ಟರ್ದಾಗ ಅದಾವ ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಮ್ಯಾಂಚೆಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೆದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಮ್ಯಾಂಚೆಸ್ಟರ್ ಯಾವುದು ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಂಚೆಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ
Bangalore.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಕಾಟನ್ ಮಿಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ಲ ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ is called a Manchester of Karnataka. Clear? Davanagere is the Manchester of Karnataka.
Karnataka.
Got it now? This? Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Whatever tomorrow I'll discuss about a article, indefinite article a and even that omission of article antala ಒಂದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ omission of article. Omission means here zero article. Zero article. Huh? Zero article means here the article, any article is not used before any which nouns. ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ನಾಮಪದಗಳ ಮುಂದೆ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಳಸಬಾರದು ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ omission of article ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ zero article. So about that we'll discuss in the in the next class. We'll discuss about that in the next class, dear children. So here I hope you understood whatever discussed about a definite article. Any queries are there? Any doubts are there? It is open for you. You can ask questions. Any problem? Any doubts? Anybody?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir.
Any doubts?
No,
Any
sir.
doubts?
No,
Ramesh,
sir.
No
have a
doubt
doubt?
now?
No, sir.
Revise, revise thoroughly, revise thoroughly, and you will get 1 marks in your exam. Not only academic, in your competitive exam also 1 mark will be. Okay,
Sir. Okay, sir.
okay. Shall we let us wind up the class? Okay, fine, dear children. Huh? Bye. Take care.
Bye, sir. Okay.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
You too, sir.
Bye, sir.
And last chapter. वही बेचारा यार हम कहाँ पे थे और साबिर भाई इंतजाम ए साबिर अरे भाई मेरे मैं कौन कर साबिर सुन रहे हो हाँ मैंने गया मास चल मैं भी स्कूल के लिए तैयार होता हूँ बाय आकाश भाई बाय बाय साबिर अबे सब जाने के बाद